What's up everyone, it's your boy Derek. Recently, Tecno just released a new device which is a Tecno Spark 8C. This is a budget device and it packs some good features, things like 90Hz refresh rate, 4G light and expandable memory, which Tecno calls memory fusion. This can expand your physical memory or physical RAM up to 2 times to get 6 gig on this budget device. It is necessary to avoid lags because on a budget device like this, it is not so powerful, and with this you can supplement for better performance. Inside the box you get a phone, a TPU case, a charger, a USB to a micro USB cable, an earpiece and some paperwork. The design of this Tecno Spark 8C is a little close to the design of the Tecno Spark 8 from last year, especially the rear camera module which houses the fingerprint scanner at the back with a huge write-up saying "Stop at nothing." Comes in 4 colors, which are the diamond gray, iris purple and turquoise cyan, with the magnet black which I have here with me. This smartphone comes with 6.6-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen that is 720 by 1612 pixels resolution. The funny thing is that 2GB RAM version does not support the 90Hz refresh rate because I have the 64GB 3GB RAM here with me which has the 90Hz refresh rate. So know that if you get the 3GB and 64GB variant, you will get the 90Hz. Inside the Tecno Spark 8C, it is powered by the Uni SoC Tiger T606 octa-core CPU clocked at 1.6 GHz alongside with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. It comes with 2 memory options, which are the 2GB RAM or 3GB RAM paired with 32GB and 64GB of internal storage. Both the RAM and the internal storage are expandables with what Tecno called memory fusion, which allows you to expand your physical RAM while at the same time expanding your internal storage with the extra memory card slots. On the software part, the Tecno Spark 8C runs on Android 11 Go edition with HiOS 7.6 Skin UI from Tecno. The performance on the Tecno Spark 8C is quite good for a budget device like this. Your basic tasks will run smoothly and games will also run fairly smooth thanks to the 90Hz refresh rate on this guy. I tried some gaming on these guys, things like Subway Sub, and it did pretty well. Tecno said that there is a super boost performance on this device which can help deliver good performance even among its budget price range. So gaming here won't be a big deal since you and I know that you are not buying this device for gaming but for minor basic tasks. But at the same time, if you still want to throw some games to it, it can still handle it. At this point, please kindly smash that like button so that this video can be recommended for more persons to watch. In the camera department, the Tecno Spark 8C has a dual camera sensor at the back with an extra circle which has the AI label on it. This includes a 13 megapixel primary lens with an f1.8 aperture and a secondary AI lens. The front camera is an 8 megapixel lens. It has a single LED with face unlock support. The pictures I took on this device are really good. Obviously, this is not a flagship device or a mid-range device that you would expect good camera performance, but a budget device which gives you fairly good pictures. The Tecno Spark 8C can shoot video in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and these are videos I took on this device. On the battery side, the Tecno Spark 8C is powered with a 5000 mAh battery which can last you well enough up to a day in a single charge. You can charge it up with the charging brick which is about 10 to 15 watts and it is included in the box. If you use this in 90Hz refresh rate, just know that the battery will run down faster than usual. Instead, you can set it up to auto to maintain normal battery life. The Tecno Spark 8C is priced at $120, which translates to 61,200 naira in Nigeria. Being a very budget device with 90Hz refresh rate, ability to expand your RAM, which is mostly seen on high-end devices. With this on the Tecno Spark 8C, to me, I would say that this is a steal at this price, because if you're looking for a device that is not so expensive and don't mind having a low budget processor but still want to get that high refresh rate experience of the 90Hz, and I think the Tecno Spark 8C would be a good choice. But knowing that it doesn't have good camera, take good looking pictures, but can still come in when you need to take 1 or 2 pictures on the go. This is my full review of the Tecno Spark 8C. If you enjoyed it, kindly smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell icon to always get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.